Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll show you a simple home remedy, a mask actually that you can apply to your face that will help get rid of dark scars, that will help get rid of acne and leave your skin smooth and tender. Perfect. Irish potato is rich in vitamin C. This vitamin C helps to treat wrinkles, eliminates dark spots, helps to lighten the skin, and treats dry skin too. It gets rid of dead skin cells and improves the collagen level of your body. Peel our already sliced Irish potato. Potato. Already grated potato. You don't need to add anything to this. Just apply this on your skin, or rather you can wear it as a face mask. Just apply it to your face. Just like that. You leave it for 10 minutes or you leave it till completely dry. You wash it off with clean water. And I promise you, you're going to get an excellent result at the end of the day. So guys, this is all there is to this video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video with your friends if it was helpful or useful in any way to you, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. To my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.